Good evening, teacher Cesar Augusto Lara. My name is Amilcar Mosquera Pineda. I will tell the story from left to right. In the first picture, we received the visit to the coordinator of Municipal Library, Maria Paula of Calamar, and we were looking at the story of interactive book. In the next picture, we were working the daily subject. In the following picture, we are complying with the safety protocol. In the fourth picture, they show a little daily activities in the school. In the next photography below, the students are shown receiving some books from the municipal meeting. The following ones developing some and the following recreational activities that are done the school. Those are basically the story in this picture. Thank you very much.